In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-step verification on Dropbox. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Two-step verification is a powerful security feature that helps protect your account by requiring a second code at sign-in. If you're turning it off, make sure you understand the risk and consider switching it back on later once you've finished whatever task requires it. Start by opening your browser and going to dropbox.com. Log into your account using your usual credentials. If you have more than one Dropbox account, double check that you're signing in to the correct one you want to change. Once you're in, look for your avatar. This could be your profile picture or just your initials. Depending on the layout you're using, it may appear in the top right or the bottom left corner of the page. Click that avatar to open your account menu. From the menu, select Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where you can manage your personal details and account security. Take a moment to ensure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple profiles or a team workspace. Next, click the Security tab. This section controls everything related to sign-in safety, including passwords, connected devices, and two-step verification. It's a good habit to review this page from time to time to keep your account secure. Scroll until you find the two-step verification section. You'll see a toggle or control related to the status of this feature. To disable it, toggle the switch to off. In some views, the toggle may be labeled differently, but you're looking for the option that turns two-step verification off. Dropbox will ask you to confirm this change. Enter your password when prompted to verify that it's really you making the adjustment. This extra check is there to protect your account from unauthorized changes. Click next to proceed. You may see a brief summary of what turning off two-step verification means for your security. Review it so you're comfortable with the change. Click next again to confirm. After this, you should see that two-step verification is now turned off in the Security tab. If you don't, refresh the page and confirm that the status has updated. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Consider re-enabling two-step verification once you've completed what you needed to do without it. If you're part of a team or business account, some admins may control this setting, so you might need their approval for changes. Thanks for watching.